Cedar Breaks is situated in the Pink Cliffs area known as the Grand Staircase, which is a plateau that consists not only of elevated areas of flatland, but also of the surrounding highlands. In the southern portions of the Colorado Plateau, there are a series of plateaus that begin to step down in elevation, creating a staircase effect. This is called the Grand Staircase. It's a group of plateaus that begin in Bryce Canyon National Park, continue through Cedar Breaks National Monument, and progressively step down to the Grand Canyon. There are many who believe that the richness of the Earth's history on the Colorado Plateau exceeds any other place in the world. Each tread of the Grand Staircase contains its own unique set of geologic elements, creating its own geologic story. The Cedar Breaks area contains the youngest rock formations in the plateau. If you take a moment to enjoy the beauty of the Cedar Breaks Amphitheater, you will notice rock formations that appear to be narrow walls coming out of the side of the cliff face. These walls are called fins. At one time, these fins were plateaus that have slowly eroded away due to frost wedging and runoff. They are made out of limestone with a higher density stone on top. Eventually these fins will turn into windows, where you'll be able to see the breaks in the fin walls. As they break apart, they take the shape of a column or pillar, known as a hoodoo. Hoodoos are rock formations that have eroded and separated from the window. What makes hoodoos unique to other geological formations is the varying width throughout the column. Most spires have a smooth surface, as though someone had carved into the hoodoo to create these unique shapes. These hoodoo formations were created by erosion, which has played a large part in the formation of the Cedar Breaks Amphitheater. But what happens to all the debris that get carried away from the rocks in the canyon? Those particles of rock and debris become the raw material for new layers of sedimentary rock. Sediments are deposited and compressed in a repetitive cycle over time as they undergo cementation. In time, new sedimentary rock is created. If that rock is buried deeply, it is subject to heat, pressure, and chemical changes, and it becomes metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rock heats up as it is pushed out into the earth, and if it descends deep enough, it melts, creating magma. Magma, or molten rock material, lies deep below the surface of the earth. It emerges to the surface through volcanic activity. Starting about 30 million years ago, volcanic eruptions occurred in the Indian Peaks area, west of Cedar Breaks National Monument. This brought hot ash flows to the monument. You can see evidence of the volcanic ash in some rock formations as you travel through the Alpine Pond Trail. Ash-colored rock and some porous dark rock is an indication of volcanic activity, which was responsible in part for some of the beautiful rock formations found in the park. For more information, visit the Cedar Breaks National Monument Visitor Center.